Yo, hey, y'all know the vibes. Y'all know who this is. It's Tony from Stick With Us Delivery Service, man. Tapping in with you all today, man. We're going to drop some heavy gems about, starting a cargo van business, man. If you do this business the right way, man, no cap, this going to change your life. I'm just keeping it all the way 100 with y'all. I always tell y'all, man, if you somebody who truly love to drive, I don't think it gets no better, driving and making money to drive. I just think that's a beautiful thing. I'm the type of person I love to drive. So if you love to drive, you're gonna make a crazy amount of money in this game driving. And it's just a lot of money in this. You know what I'm saying? It's just so many different tiers to this business. You got your shipper, you got your broker, you got your freight forwarding company, you got your dispatch companies. You got your owner operators. It's just so many different tiers when it comes to get into this cargo van business. Another thing, like I always tell y'all, I'm always stress this, and I stress this for a reason, because I want people to understand the business. You got to have patience when you're in the cargo van business. You got to have patience on all the things that you got to set up before you even get in the cargo van business, because you got to have the LLC, EIN number, business bank account, a TWIC card. It's all this stuff that you want to have, because before you hit the road, you want to make sure you got all the right equipment that you need. You want to make sure you got a carbon monoxide detector. You want to make sure you have a portable printer. You want to make sure you have a cooler, tie-down straps, a dolly or a hand jack, a 2-in-1 or a 3-in-1. You want to make sure you have blankets. You want to make sure you have scrap protectors. There's so many things you all want to make sure you have before you actually get on the road. And you can get all this stuff under $1,000. Most of the equipment that you need for the cargo van. A lot of times I tell y'all, depending on which company you get with, as far as the insurance goes, you're going to need either $1 million liability, or you're going to need a company that takes the $300,000 liability. And whichever one you get, you're going to always need $100,000 in cargo. The $100,000 in cargo protects the freight that you're carrying. God forbid anything ever happened to that freight, you want to be covered by that, because you don't want to have to ever come out of the pocket for anything. That's what we pay for insurance for. So I always tell you, I want y'all to get in this business, but I want y'all to get in this business the right way. And I always tell y'all, buy the cargo van last. There's no need to get the cargo van and you don't know what companies you're going to get with. You don't know how much your commercial insurance is going to run you. And if you go check my video that I did a couple of weeks ago, where I gave y'all the commercial insurance, the inside plug on how to, get the cheapest commercial insurance rate. So go and check that out. That was a good video. But yeah, man, like I tell y'all, if you gonna work local, you can do this local, but that's another reason why before you even do this local, start reaching out to these companies, man. You can just go to Google and find local companies for local work. Of course, I got a lot of companies inside on my platform and all that kind of stuff, but you can also find a few companies, locally. Like I tell y'all, go to Craigslist, go to cbdriver.com, go to Carrier Gigs, go to Carrier Boards, go to ZipRecruiter. It's just so many ways, man. But local takes a little while. And I always tell y'all this, the reason why local takes a while, because it all depends on availability. That's the key. That's for personal vehicle or a cargo van. It's gonna all depend on the availability. And that's just what it is, man. It's all on the availability. It might be a waiting game. That's why I tell most people it's gonna take you 2 to 4 weeks to get a local contract. For some people it might be faster, depending on what city and state you live in and how the demand is in your area. So it'll take a little work. It'll take a little finessing. You know what I'm saying? So if you that's why I say you gotta have patience. That's one of the main reasons I always tell y'all this. You gotta have patience. Because if you don't have patience, all you're gonna do is drive yourself crazy. That's all you're gonna do. And ain't no need for that. Because by you driving yourself crazy, not gonna speed up no process. Now with you being persistent, you're doing follow-up calls. Even I'm gonna tell y'all another game to do, man. Start emailing these companies. That's professional. Email the companies instead of calling them. Get an email address and reach out to a vice president or a manager or a supervisor. They read them emails. Start doing stuff like that, man. There's a lot of different ways. You know, if you're looking to go over the road, that's a way much faster process, especially if y'all tapping in with me, because, you know, I give you a contract. So I'm just truly going to speed up the process for you all, you know. And I only did that because, you know, I've been there before, man. You know, when I first got started, I was only with one company, you know, and I was doing good. But that's why I always tell y'all the best way to do it is to have multiple companies. Because if you got multiple companies, you good to go, man. Just think about this. If I'm signed on to 5 dispatching companies, I'm fresh in the game, just got in this game. I'm either going to go exclusive. Exclusive going to save me money, because you got some companies where if you go exclusive, they'll actually provide commercial insurance for you. So right then and there, you already saving a lot of money. You spending less money already. You know, what you running under their insurance, you're probably paying $250, $400 a month with their insurance, which is way cheaper than paying $1,000 or $1,500 a month for commercial insurance. You know, you might only be making, let's say, 70 cents, 75 cents a mile, but that's not bad if you do it. This ain't nothing but math. A lot of times people can hear that number, 70 cents. I need more than that. What y'all don't even understand, truck drivers, people in semi-trucks make way less than that. They make like 35 to 40 cents a mile. So I want y'all to understand this and be clear about this. Semi-truck drivers, if you're working for a company, you're making about 40 cents a mile. So now you got a cargo van and a company have you under their authority, and you get to use their insurance, and they giving you 70 cents a mile. I think that's a fair trade. Like, it's nothing but math, y'all. It's nothing but math. So you mean to tell me if they give me a load that's 1,000 miles and I go do it for $700, off top, I know my gas gonna run me about $200. So I just made $500 to the good. Shit, I'm doing that. And y'all gonna pay, and I ain't gotta pay all that insurance? Man, sign me up, man. I keep telling y'all, this is nothing but math. That's all this is. It's nothing but math. Until we get that, a lot of us not gonna ever understand this business. This game ain't nothing but math, man. One of my mentees had just told me, say, you know, Tony, once I figured out the math, it was game over after that point. I was truly able to make a lot of money once I figured out the math, and that's what it is. Once y'all figure out the math, game over. Like my dog Star Picture saying, that's on Gizzy God. For real, man. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I'm going to try my best to keep dropping video after video after video, man. I always tell y'all, stick with us, man. We truly got you, man. Hey, don't forget, June 1st, man, is going down. My first in-person event in Miami, Florida. I got my guy, Mr. Seven Figure Ghost, coming with me. He teach people how to get in the bar truck game. He also teach you how to dispatch. I got my guy, Terry, from Alta Capital Consulting. He help people fix their credit. He help people get business and personal funding. He also teach people how to trade stocks. So, and I got the big homie, you know, a brother from another man, my dog Kitchen, comedian, fat and funny. He gonna host the event. I'm very excited about this, man. This is my first event, man, and I'll leave the link below, man. Anybody in South Florida, it don't matter where you at. You can fly in or whatever. We might even have some kind of like hotel packages and stuff like that, and I'll let y'all know about that in the near future. But yeah, man, if you go and get the tickets, it's only a limited time. This is gonna be my first time ever doing an in-person event. I'm very excited, man. You know, to come from where I come from and where I'm at today is a beautiful thing, man. And I can't wait to see you all. It's just a great feeling. I have no words for it, but I appreciate you all, man. I appreciate all the follows. I appreciate the likes. I appreciate everybody subscribing to my page. I love to interact with y'all. I read the comments when I get a chance. So I appreciate it, man. I really do, man. Very humble, very grateful, you know, very blessed. Like, I'm really honored, you know, and I'm glad I'm just, you know, able to, you know, give y'all some game, man. You know, each one teach one. That's always been my motto, man. I always tell people, man, when you learn what I teach you, teach somebody else. That's how. If anybody ever want to tip me or pay me or reward me, just teach somebody else what I taught you. That's it. That's all it is for me. Stick with us. We out of here. Yo, look, this what y'all asked for, so it's only right. So I'm about to do my first in-person event. I've been in this business for 6 years. Now I'm about to do my first in-person event. And it's only right that we do it in our backyard. Miami, Florida, June 1st, 2024. I will be hosting my first annual Boss Maker Conference. If you want to learn how to get in the cargo van business, box truck business, medical carrier business, dispatch business, get credit repair, learn how to get funding, learn how to trade stocks, and throughout the whole process, you know I had to go get my big homie to host my first event. His hometown, Miami, Florida, man. We got the big homie, the comedian, Fat and Funny, will be hosting this conference. Hit the link in the bio. You heard?